relevant in today's lab is the ovary of the coronally sectioned uterus, the right fallopian tube, the right ovary. So within this ovary, we see different stages of ovarian follicle development. Very, very immature stages, primordial stage, primary stage, secondary stage. It isn't until we get way out to here, well, for these two, number 4, these are the tertiary follicles. The most mature stage that an ovarian follicle reaches is called the tertiary. So we have primordial, primary, secondary, and then we've got the tertiary stage follicle, sometimes called a Graafian follicle. Okay, what's important about the tertiary stage follicle, this is the follicle that ovulates. None of the earlier follicles are capable of ovulation. It's the tertiary follicle that releases a haploid secondary oocyte. But, see the oocyte in there? That's still not a haploid secondary oocyte. That's still a primary oocyte, diploid, 46 chromosomes. So from primordial to primary to secondary to tertiary, the oocyte within the follicle is a diploid primary oocyte. It isn't until the tertiary follicle does this. So here's the tertiary follicle again, merging with the ovarian wall. It isn't until the tertiary follicle hits the ovarian wall that the primary oocyte completes meiosis II and cytokinesis. Actually, I'm sorry, it completes meiosis I and cytokinesis and becomes a secondary oocyte right there. Actually, no, it is going through 2. Never mind. It is going through 2. So it completes meiosis II, becomes a secondary oocyte right there, and is released. So here we have ovulation. We have the tertiary follicle rupturing, that's what happens at ovulation, and releasing a secondary oocyte, a haploid secondary oocyte. It's surrounded, not very well shown here, it's surrounded by a zona pellucida and corona radiata. And then the secondary oocyte gets sucked in to the fallopian tube where there may be sperm cells waiting to fertilize. All right, so that's all I really care about as far as this model goes. All the rest of this stuff is A and P2.